like to introduce you to Melodic Motion Etude number 51. This is also going to be part of our Lines in D minor series, as we're going to outline A7, B flat major, C7, and D minor. So I hope this finds you well and enjoying your music. If you've not yet done so, please do subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave a comment. If you'd care to leave me a tip, that would be much appreciated. My PayPal information's there in the description below. So here's this Melodic Motion Etude. We're going to look at what's happening in the bass, as that is always the most important. So it's chord tones of A7, the root, the third, the fifth, the flat 7, and then the third of D minor. So that would be the outline of the voices, and we're going to put scale neighbors next to them melodically so we can have a flowing eighth note line. So 5 and 6, A and C sharp, up to D, 5, 6 and 7, 4 and 5 with 6, C sharp and E with an F. I'm shifting all the way. E and G, 7 and 8, up to 10th fret A, E, G, A, G and B flat. So this would be a third inversion A7 flat 9 chord with the third on top there. So we have 7th in the bass, G, G, B flat, C sharp, 10, 11, 9. And they're going to split in contrary motion to go to F at the 8th fret and D at the 10th fret. Just going between inversions and trying to work that line into an improvisation. So now B flat, going to G minor, so again we're outlining B flat, D, F, little major 7, so let's look at 6 and 7, B flat and D with that raised 4th note, since we're in the key of 1 flat. Sorry. Trying to apply that first one in G minor. Six and 7, 6 and 9. 5 and 6, D and F, up to G, F and A, 8 and 10, 8 and 11, A and C, 7 and 8, 10, 10 and 12, G and E. And I take it to be G minor. C7, going to F major, C and E, 8 and 9, up to 10, and again that same line in the bass, 1, 3, 5, flat 7, and down a step to the first inversion of a chord. Eight and 9 up to 10, 7 and 8 up to 10, 10 and 11 up to 13, 8 and 10 up to 12, 12 and 13, F chord. Just playing with the same things, chord tones in the bass, melodically connected scale lines in the upper range. So now we're going to come from D minor, 10 and 10, up to 12, D and F up to G, F and A, so 8 and 10 up to 11, 12 and 13, 12 and 13 with 10 on the first string. I'm using third and fourth fingers. Getting used to these kinds of fingerings are really important. Then C and E, 10 and 12, up to 13. And we're going to split to B flat and G, 13 and 15. So I made it sound like G minor. How about C7? To F. If we put an F sharp in there, we can modulate to G minor. I hope this finds you enjoying your music, spending time with the instrument, and luxuriating in the little vacation that it gives you. I hope it gives you a vacation when you sit down with this thing. Don't let it be any kind of a hindrance or a burden. Don't make it a competitive thing with anybody else or with yourself. See if you can really get into the moment of the sound. Just improvising in that same key there, looking at C7s, D minors, G minors, etc. The pillars of the key. Again, I do hope this finds you well, and I wish you, as always, a very good day.